You know, George, in all your time in Ireland, it's amazing how you've totally ignored one of our most sacred customs.
Custom? I see. What?
Religion.
Aye?
The religion.
Ow! I can't help it. I'm a nonconformist.
Hey, mister, look a bit!
Hello, Mr. Cutler.
Evening, missus. Here's a kick. Come on.
Paul! Paul! Come in!
You better go. Go on.
This is the last time I'll call you.
You look a bit tired, dear.
It's how I feel.
Fancy a stroll? Do you good?
You know how much I have to do.
Beautiful doll, you great big beautiful doll. I could never live without you. I just want my arms about you.